I'm here at Etéreo, and this has been on the bucket list for quite some time, and I'm so happy to be here to finally get a chance to see the gorgeous architecture here. So this is a suite. If you were doing the standard room category, you would not have this area over here, which is a beautiful sitting area. So you would just have this area, which is absolutely stunning. Obviously it's oceanfront. Look at this beautiful wall. Everything, they've really prided themselves on the architecture, decor, making it feel like it's a part of nature. Gorgeous bathroom. I love the walk-in shower here because it has a gorgeous view out there. So pretty. And then I will pan around so you can see the beautiful bedroom, bed facing out to this great view here. Look at the size of this patio living area. So again, that area, the dining area, you wouldn't have if you were not doing a suite, but still, this is really, really big. You have the pool over there, the mangroves, and the beautiful ocean. So again, this is Etéreo. This is in Riviera Maya, and I'll get a quick peek. I already went outside. This has a Sky Plunge pool, jacuzzi, but this is a great living area space. So if you have a suite, you have that. And then this would be a higher category because it also has this great plunge pool out there, another separate area to lay out and relax. And they're all about wellness, has a very zen, quiet feeling. Truly stunning, all of the decor in here and craftsmanship.